over a lunch after a meeting of the club, we discussed algorithms and came up with a histogram centering system, which I then coded, implemented, won the competition that year, and now that I have revealed all those secrets, everybody else is using that and beating me soundly. But LineWeller is more run for the tradition of the algorithm than an expectation of winning. Our time is
25.51.
25.51 for LineWeller. Wow.
No penalty.
And no penalty.
I built it mostly around an Arduino using Pololu parts. It has 32 line sensors from Pololu on it, which each one requires its own input, so I have to use a very large microprocessor to process all those inputs. Let's see, let's go with the fastest algorithm. We're going to start with the most dangerous algorithm. High speed, high risk. Are we going?
And if you notice, Ted has a wood-based robot, so wood is actually a pretty good material to build things out of. It's very strong and lightweight.
And all I have is hand tools.
And my microphone is cutting it out, so you can get up.
It's about 10.17.
So it took a long running started over the opposite side of the track, but
Red line sensors in the front, it's got 16 of them across, and it uses that to bounce the light off of the board. And if the light is not reflected, then it knows that that's where the black line is. So it knows which way to turn on.
Okay, good luck.
Whenever you cross the red line, you go either direction, wherever you want to start.
two laps. First lap.
Little wiggle.
Solid run.
11.84.
11.84.
Well, it is.
It is, okay.
That's not your robot.
It's a parallax, and
Is it doing what you expect to do?
yeah, it's pretty fine. Before I kind of messed up and like where to start it from, but it's kind of going and not smooth.
Doing a great job following the line. What do the lights indicate?
Just like the programming and it just shows us.
It's a sensor on the bottom of it. So the green, you see a green light, you see at the left, when you see the green light indicates which sensor is triggered. So left is the left sensor, right is the right.
Zig and Zag are up
When
next.
it goes out, it's off the line. That's an easy.
It looks like this is
I see her not.
Yes. It's actually got a servo inside of it that allows it to pick the pencil up and put it down, so it can actually write letters, write names. Well, it triggered the time. So,
Yeah, it made it.
yep, just made it. 49.67.
Good job.
Okay.
So it has to test the line first.
This is Zag, right?
Yes.
All right. So Zag is this. Is this
Does it
correct?
matter
Am I correct? This is
Go
a
where you want, go either direction.
this is a Zumo from Polo.
Yes.
All right.
Running Arduino.
And you have how many line sensors? Some of them have
Six.
6 line sensors,
Six
which
line
matches the number of analog inputs to the Arduino,
Correct.
which you probably are using the digital inputs anyway.
Yes.
Ah, okay, that's fine.
14.48.
14.48. 14.48. Wow. Pretty quick.
Sounds for a track
Sounds like
robot.
crash line roller, I think, right?
Yep.
All right. Well, and so tell us the differences between Zig and Zag.
One is slower than the other.
All right.
I don't remember which one.
Tell us about this custom handle that you have.
It's a piece of wire that I put in there because the edges are very sharp and I got tired of hurting my fingers. So it also makes it really easy to grab.
The sumo blade is catching the edges every once in a while.
Oh, I forgot to put the little feet on there.
Round 2, you can do that.
All right.
14.58.
All right, 14.58.
Likely. The red
The red
line.
line.
So wherever you want to go. You can go either way. You can start wherever you want.
All right.
All right.
Polymax 9000, a traditional winner of polyathlon and many other events. Faster than everything, faster than a speeding bullet, stronger than a locomotive. And
9.18.
9.1 for 2 laps. 2 laps. Amazing. Thank you, Dale. Online and on the start. Beautifully followed.
Still got that right English thing going on.
Yeah, a little bit. Almost missed it. Barely.
Okay. A little bit of wandering.
Oh no!
Oh, we're back. We're back.
Remember, simple, you can do the answer.
Yes.
Help if you need to. Like 5-second penalty is totally good ball.
What's the run time allowed?
There's a max.
Whoa, so close to striking the pylon, but still staying on track.
Barely.
90 seconds.
This is polyathlon bot's got edge sensors for the bulldozer. It's got line following on the underneath. It's on a vertical flip or a hinge where I can flip it forward and detect obstacles when I bump into them in front for an event such as a bulldozer. It is using a VEX. It's a PIC variant, the original VEX controller. Basically, that's about it. Oh!
Get that on. Get that on.
45 seconds.
There you go. Can't advance, we can do it. There you go.
That's it?
67.32.
Plus
1 touch.
Yeah. 67 job. 3 pies are fast.
And 3 pies also made by Cololo, right?
Yes. Also, Palulu,
10.7.
10 points. 10.7. Wow. Very nice.
Good split time.
I don't know how to get there you go. Nice and quick. Very good.
13.92.
Cool. Okay. And we're on our way. All right, excellent. So one of the problems of polyathlon event is you're expecting your robot to do more than one thing, and
You touch. You
get it back on. Get it back on.
One.
All right, looks like we're starting to make the turn. We made the turn before. Oh! Are we dead? Are we going to touch again? We can go for it.
5-second penalty, don't turn it. Can't advance, there you go.
Yeah, we're also going to damage our face here.
Going a long way.
Oh! We'll get a ruling from our head judge. Does the rule state how many touches are allowed?
Nope.
Okay, so we can just keep going here.
90 seconds total though, max, so.
We are making the turn. Okay, turn number 3. Seems to be functioning beautifully now. Oh. So we're not sure what the issue is, but obviously some adjustments will be required before the next event, right? Yeah.
And we're over 90 also on it.
Okay. So we have, unfortunately, do not finish. And zagging through and across the start line. Through the sharp turns. Kind of funny, I actually discovered a bug in the code of Line Mauler that has been there since it's been built. I found it while reusing that code for another robot. And
Can you tell us all the bug?
yeah, I don't know. It seems to run okay with the bug, but
34.10.
round two, I'll try the other direction, see if I do better. The E9000's first run at advanced line, and moving pretty quickly, is 32 line sensors, allowing a wide view of the field, and a pretty quick time of
14.14.
14.14. You notice Ted does not have to touch his robot. He has remote start, remote stop, and if I remember correctly, he also can select modes remotely. All from a plywood robot. The robot is entirely plywood, including the processor. No. He does not use off-the-shelf line sensors. He has got his own, what are they, phototransistors? Phototransistor LED pairs. Aluminum chassis. Flying bridge with leaking detection. Or handle. Is it a handle or a flying bridge?
Something I've offered from others.
No, I meant the handle, the big thing that it's mounted from.
17.17.
17.17. 17.17. One lap. One lap. Moving way better right now. Obviously some adjustments done here. Following well. The hard turn here. This is a tough one. There we go. And oh, come on, baby. Oh.
It can reacquire the line.
We've reacquired the line.
Yeah, same direction.
Made it through the intersection. The intersection's tough because you have to. If you're not running straight enough through that, you might wind up going down the wrong path. We are off, and unfortunately, in advanced line, there is no human help allowed. So we'll have to wait for round two for a better. Liney is an off-the-shelf scribbler made by Parallax. Parallax robots have done really, really well in dead reckoning navigation. I believe. Did you win last year?
I won 2 years ago.
2 years ago. All right. Tracking well through the tough part.
Good. What does 90 says that?
Go.
Hey!
All right. We're still on. Oh, this is it.
This way. This way. Come on back.
Oh, where
The trap? Oh, it's in the ground.
That is as close to not finishing as you can possibly get and still finish. Now we're in the home stretch, the easy turns. All right, time up.
87.18.
87.18. Yes, Polymax 9000, by the way, the perennial winner and favorite, has 8 line sensors, proving that 32 line sensors and 16 line sensors is just way too many, right? Pretty blazing speed.
12.75.
12.75.
You got it.
All right, excellent work, excellent work.
Got it.
Wow, a little circle there. Another. A little bit of dancing there, but
26.53.
26.53. So, Ted, if you would be ready right after this.
The mouse.
Yeah.
I was not thinking this last time. I was getting great. So far, everyone's done good.
21.52.